Today's work split across two separate project tracks. In Alcheme, the new work focused on a first circle location radar MVP, a way to discover circles by location, not only through lists or direct links. In Storage Fabric, the new work pushed Phase 2 further into developer operations, events, audit support, privacy controls, and compliance operations. Alcheme now has a first map-based path for discovering circles by location. Circle managers can add location information to a circle, and users can open a map view that shows nearby circles around their current position or around a scan point they choose manually. This is still an MVP, but it changes circle discovery from a list-first experience into something people can explore on a map. The location work also includes the control side. Location data now has validation, permission checks, privacy rules, and circle settings support, so it is managed as part of the circle rather than treated as a loose field. The product also gained a first map page, a radar-style map view, real map tiles, manual scan center controls, and device location and compass support. Storage Fabric's second track pushed the project toward a more usable developer platform. Developers and tenant operators now have a first developer console path, safer operational views, and a TypeScript developer SDK surface for the new Phase 2 routes. In product terms, teams using Storage Fabric can begin to inspect what is happening, connect their own tools to it, and manage access without working directly against low-level storage internals. The event and notification layer also moved forward. Storage Fabric now has webhook delivery, tenant event replay, audit export, support bundle, and local transparency batch flows. That gives an application a better answer to common operator questions. What changed, what was sent, what can be exported for review, and what limited support information can be shared without exposing private storage details. The rules for serving content and protecting tenant privacy were tightened. Public and private serving paths are now more clearly separated, cache clearing is tracked, and tenant metadata has stronger rules around what can leave the system. The point is to let content be served and revoked more deliberately, instead of treating every storage object as a simple public file. The operations and compliance side also became more concrete. This batch adds operator access with role boundaries, emergency pause controls, controls to disable serving, record keeping for exceptional support access requests, legal holds, lifecycle decisions, regional and compliance placement checks, and incident records. That makes Storage Fabric less like a demo API and more like infrastructure that can be operated when something goes wrong. The commits add coverage across both tracks. Alcheme adds tests for circle location APIs, discovery behavior, settings flow, governance boundaries, front-end map behavior, and routing. Storage Fabric adds integration, domain, database, worker, and SDK coverage for the new developer, event, audit, privacy, serving, operations, compliance, lifecycle, and incident flows. The main result is clear. Alcheme gained a first location-based circle discovery experience, while Storage Fabric moved deeper into the operational layer needed by real applications.